just take a couple of shots. Try one more here for the holidays. I hope you're having a nice Christmas. Except this is the time of day you're pretty much sick of Christmas, aren't you? You've just had it for months and months, and technically it's over. One more, and then we'll move on. Oh, yeah. Terribly close. What was the name of that song, Paul?
That was Christmas Baby, Please Come Home from the Phil Spector Christmas album.
Oh, it's nice. Very
Arlene
nice.
Love was the singer on it. Ellie Greenwich.
We have a special top 10 for you tonight because it is the holidays. We wanted to do something extra special. This is from the home office in Milwaukee. Tonight, we have the top 10 Howard Vinitsky sound effects. Now, Howard Vinitsky is the man who sits in a closet somewhere downtown, and he pushes buttons to make sound effects for us, and he selected his top 10. Here we go. Number 10, Breaking Glass. Number 9, Bubbles. 8, Cartoon Velocity. 7, we have a full fathom 5. 6, we have a collapsing mine shaft. 5, and my particular favorite, the sludge golfer. Number 4 is a body fall. Number 3, balloon stretcher. And number 2, penny through the head. Dropped from a very high building. And Howard Vinitsky's favorite sound effect, love sounds.
Who loves you, baby?
Yeah.